Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. Today I have my Ipsy Unbagging. I used to have my Sephora Play. This is the first month that I did not get it since it started. I was one of the first people to subscribe to it, and it was with great sadness that I ended it in December. That was my last bag with Sephora, but I really feel like it was time. They kept sending the same things over and over again. And then when they got rid of the bags and they went to those plastic things that were recyclable, which you know they aren't because, well, most of the country can't recycle most plastics now because of this, that we sent all of them to China, which makes no sense to me. Anyway, that's a rant for another time. Here is my Ipsy, and I have seen a couple unboxings and people got bigger cards. I just got this little one right here, so I don't know. It says Ipsy Recharge. Maybe next month they will get more. Anyway, I hope so. There are a couple things sticking out because they were in the bag when I pulled them out. This first one is from Firma. It is a, I don't know, some type of a brush. It is really soft though. I like it. It is an artificial brush. It reminds me of the Luxie brushes a lot. Like that's how the bristles feel. So brushes are always a plus. I will always love brushes. Next is Illamasqua. That's a crazy name. Coloring pencil. So this is a lip crayon and it is in the shade Lust. Ooh. And next month, let me know if you want to see Ipsy by itself or if you want me to put it in with Allure and Macy's or with my big Ipsy. Oh, that's a pretty color. That's a really unusual color. There it is. Those are my swatches from my other Ipsy and my Boxy because I didn't wipe off my swatches yet. Sorry. But that's really pretty. I like that. Next is from Ella Eden London, and it is an eyeshadow, I believe. And I don't know what color it is. It says it's pressed. It says it's pressed. That's not very helpful. I think I am going to pass this along. It's really pretty, but I don't want to swatch it because I have so many single shadows that I don't really need. So that would be something good to put in a future giveaway. Next is another one of these. I got one in my Ipsy Plus, the full-size version. This is the mini version. This is the Ico London Black Liquid Eyeliner. As I said in my bigger box unboxing, before I got the Plus, they had stopped sending me eyeliner. They had stopped sending me mascara because those are two things that I always said, I don't like them, I don't want them, and they stopped sending them. And now with my new profile, because you have to get a new profile for the Plus or for the regular bag. This is so cute, by the way. I love this bag. That's part of the reason why I wanted to keep my regular Ipsy was because of how cute the little bags are. Anyway, so that one is definitely in my pass along pile. And then my last thing is Pure Brazilian Miracle Leave-In Conditioner. I like leave-in conditioners. I use them a lot. And I realized I just did a video that I will be talking about things that I'm not going to buy this year. Leave-in treatments for your hair, like anything for hair related, I don't need to buy them because I get them in my boxes all the time. And I have a lot of them. So glad to get this because that's just another thing that I don't need to buy. I think this is a pretty good bag. I like the lip crayon. I think that color is really pretty, the lip liner. The leave-in, great. Love brushes. I will always be happy to get a brush. Like, that is always something that makes me happy. This is pretty, and I would use it, but I feel like I have so many, and I'd rather go to somebody who could use it and will really enjoy it, and it won't just sit in a drawer like it will with me. And then the black eyeliner. Ugh. Don't like that. But you know, 3 that I'm keeping that I really like, and then 1 that I'm parting with, you know, with sorrow, not like willingly parting with, but knowing that it will be better for it. yeah, I think this was a good box, actually. I would love to know what your thoughts on this bag were, what you got in your Ipsy. I love hearing what you guys get in your Ipsys. Let me know down below, and I'll talk to you guys next time.